Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Pandit and you are watching MEP Technical World. In this video, we'll learn about basically how to select and calculate the contactor size for a star delta starter. Okay, so before we start the session, I would like to request you, if you are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So as you know that when we use a star delta starter, if our motor is about 5 HP or more than 5 HP capacity, then we'll have to use the star delta starter, and below it we can use DOL starter. So here we are going to calculate the contactor size for keychain exhaust unit star delta starter. So this is the keychain exhaust fan unit, you can say. If we talk about its capacity, then size is 11,000 CFM and power consumption is 10 HP. So capacity of the motor of this exhaust fan unit is 10 HP, which is more than 5 HP. That's why we have to use the DOL starter or VFD drive. So here we are going to calculate the size for contactor for star delta starter. So first, here we have a steps for sizing the star delta starter contactor. Okay, so first what we have to do, first we have to take the motor size. First what we have to do, take the motor size HP or in kilowatt. If our motor is in HP, then we have to convert it into kilowatt. Then next step, calculate the full load current of the motor. Okay, as for this capacity, we have to calculate the full load current according to this capacity. Then next, calculate the main contactor size. So 50% of full load current will be the rating of this main contactor, or we can multiply the FLC with this factor 0.58, which is 58%, 58 divided by 100. Okay, now next, this is for main contactor. Similar, delta and main contactor size are same in star delta starter. Okay, so calculate for delta contactor same as main contactor. Then calculate the star contactor size, which is 33% of FLC. Okay, so in a star connection, what actually current will reduce if motor is operating in a star connection. That's why it is contactor size of a star is smaller than the main and delta contactor. Okay, so now let's follow these steps to calculate the size of. So here in first step, what we have to do, we have to take the motor size. So here we have a 10 HP of the motor inside this keychain exhaust fan. Now let's calculate the full load current. So here we have a power 10 HP. So 10, we have, if we are going to convert the HP into kilowatt, then 1 HP equal to 746 watt. So let's multiply with this, then it will become 7.46 kilowatt. Okay, here voltage is, as you know that this is 3-phase motor, that's why voltage is 415, and this is the formula where we are going to use this to calculate the full load current. So root 3 V and I and cos phi is power factor, and efficiency is the efficiency of the motor. So to calculate the current, power divided by root 3 V cos phi and efficiency of the motor. So let's put the value of all these parameters. So P is equal to 7.46 into 1000 divided by root 3 value is 1.732 into 415, and cos phi is 0.8, and efficiency is 0.9. If we calculate all this, it will become 14 ampere. So this is the full load current of this 10 HP motor. Okay, now based on this FLC, we will select the contactor size for main contactor, star contactor, and delta contactor. Okay, now next, so here this is the power wiring of the power diagram, we can say, of the star delta starter. So this is the TPN, we can say, bus bar. Here we have a main breaker, circuit breaker, then we have a main contactor, and this is the delta contactor, and this is the star contactor. Here we have a overload relay, and this is the motor terminal block. So this motor is 10 HP capacity. So this is the three-phase induction motor. So here what we are going to do, we have to first calculate the main contactor size. What is the size of this contactor, what is the size of this contactor, and what is the size of star contactor. So main contactor and delta contactor are same size, but in star contactor it is less than this, because in star connection current will be reduced as compared to delta connection. That's why we have to use less rating as compared to this delta and main contact. So here let's calculate the main contactor size. So let's follow the steps. So FLC, full load current, is 14 ampere, and to calculate the main contactor size, we have to multiply, actually this is the 58% of this FLC. So we can multiply with this directly. 0.58 into 14 is equal to 8.12 ampere. So this is the calculated main contactor size as per calculation, this value. So what we have to do, we have to look into the contactor size selection chart, whether it is available or not in the market. Here these are the ratings which are available in the market: 9, 12, 18, 22, like so. Our value is how much? 8.12. so always go for higher value than the calculated. Okay, that's why 9 is near about this. So main contactor size is 9, and we are already talked about the contactor size for main and delta contactor are same. Okay, that's why delta contactor size is also 9 ampere. Now come to star contactor size. So this is the FLC. As you know that to calculate the this is the star contactor. So to calculate the star contactor size, we have to take the 33% of this FLC. So 0.33 into 14, it becomes 4.6. So what we have to do, if it is available the size near to this in the market, we can go near to this like a 5 to 6 ampere. If not, then go like this. So this is the general starting from 9 ampere. So if any manufacturer of the switch gear like contactor make, if it is below the 9 ampere, then we can go below than that. If not, then 9 ampere. Okay, always go higher than the calculated value. So this is the star contactor size is 9 ampere. Okay, so here main contactor size is 9, then delta is same, star here is 9, because here generally contactor size available from 9 ampere. That's why I have taken. If it is below than that available in the market, then sure our calculated value is 4.6 ampere. Then if it is available 5 ampere, then sure we can go with 5 ampere or 6 ampere. Okay, and this is circuit breaker. So in previous video I have already discussed about how to select the circuit breaker size. So generally what we have to do, we have to take the full load current. So this is the full load current. So simply what we have to do, we have to multiply with safety factor, which is 1.25. so what is the value? So it is 1.25 into 14, so it become 17.5. So near to that we gonna select this 20 amperes. That's why main breaker size is 20 ampere, then main contactor size is 9, delta 9 and star 9. Okay, so hope you guys understand about how to select the or size the or how to calculate the contactor rating for star delta starter panel. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So thank you very much. See you again in next video.